Hello and welcome back to another unboxing. So today we are unboxing EveryPlate, which is a subscription meal prep kit that basically gives you like all the ingredients for a prepared meal and gives them right to your door. So they give you see it on the menus for them. So this one is herby parmesan crusted chicken, creamy mushroom steak, caramelized onion burgers, and lemony asparagus, tomato linguine. And these are all the kits that I personally picked. And it comes with tons of options. And the good thing is that it's supposed to be 2 of each in here, and this was like less than $40, guys. Like, this was an amazing price. And this is like a lot of food. When I first looked in here, oh sorry, it's another one: chicken, sausage, orzo pilaf. I forgot it was 5 meals, so 10 meals altogether because it's like 2 of each. And they even gave me a little gift, golden peak tea, which I absolutely love. Like, this is like one of my favorite drinks of all time. I've actually never had the blueberry flavor before, so this is actually really, really good if you guys want to try it. Well, buy it yourself. So, looking in here, like so much stuff, and they gave me this envelope. It says perks from our friends, and I guess I got another free tea, and this is for the website Groove. And another thing, okay, it is a $100 wine voucher. I'm over 21, guys, so don't worry, I can definitely use this. And it's actually pretty cool for how much I've only paid for this, like literally under $40. And it looks like there's so much stuff in this box already. So you have the stringings, just showing you all the ingredients it comes with, because you know you can buy stuff like this and it will say it gives you like the whole package deal, but then when you look in the box, it's really like 3 pieces of like things, and like it's like a small prepared little meal, not really like a lot for like 1 person or 2 people at that. The orzo rice, linguine, and these are all supposed to be the serving size for these one particular meal. So it's not like the entire package. That's why they're all kind of small. Of course, potatoes, mushrooms, zucchini, cheese, got something, and it tells you the recipes for everything on these, if you can see it. So some of the stuff I already picked out goes to like the chicken sausage orzo, like the orzo pasta, and oh, it comes with buns too, and that is for the burgers, the They're caramelized burgers, I believe. Yeah. I actually can't wait to try the buns, because sometimes they just give you like regular wheat. And personally, I like brioche bread. Asparagus. There's actually like a few potatoes in here, so I'm not gonna take them all out, but just know it's like a few like those miniature little ones. Not too many, but a lot if you eat them all. Of course, onions, more cheese. Oh, cream cheese packet. The sauces, and spices, which I was actually very much worried about if they was gonna give me, because a lot of times in like one of the websites I have seen, I was going to try it because I thought maybe this could save me money, but when I clicked on it, it said you have to have your own seasonings for it. I'm not gonna tell you which site, but when I saw that, I was kind of like, dang, like, not that seasonings are that expensive, to be honest. It's just like, if it says a fully prepared kit, I don't expect to read when they have a fine print and you read it and it says it's everything but this, and this, and this. That's kind of like a letdown. And from what I see, oh, mayo. From what I see so far, this is everything that I was expecting to get. Also, from looking at all of the menus, because it shows you how to prepare each meal on the back, and it tells you all the ingredients you need for that meal on the front. And so just by looking at this, I can already tell. Actually, you know what? I know it has it. Lemon. Yeah, it has all the ingredients and they're serving right here. So for way less than $40, all of this is actually a lot. And not to say that you can't buy all of this for $40 anywhere else. I'm pretty sure if you go to all the right stores, you probably could. But this actually just saves a lot of time, because I literally ordered this not even a week ago. I think I ordered this last Thursday. So this actually came here pretty quick, in my opinion. I could tell they're all fresh and well packaged. I don't see any holes or anything. And there is the meat. And all of this came with like packets. Here's the meat for everything. You know, the meat is really it's not the most important, but it's important, because, you know, bad meat, it's no dish. And all of this looks good so far. You know, the packages aren't broken. I don't see anything leaking. And of course, they give you ice packs with everything. And so altogether, I felt like this was a very good deal for less than $40. And like I said, you can mix and match all your ingredients if you want to. If you don't want this exactly, of course, you can just mix them up. They're not prepared altogether, which is to me a good thing, because sometimes I like the meal, but I don't want a zucchini, even though I do love zucchini, or I don't want one particular sauce and it's already drizzled on it. But that's just how I feel. But, you know, thank you for joining us with this video, and I will be back with another unboxing soon.